So we're in Ella's room. Ah! And then they got these treats yesterday. And here's Blizzard. And here's Sprite over here. He's on top of his. Sprite, chill out, dude. You wanna have some leftover for your Hatchday? That's in like 10 days.
No.
11 days. 11 days. Sprite's Hatchday's in 11 days. April 22nd. Oh my goodness. This dude absolutely loves this. We have Blizzards. His treat. Don't want to miss the gender of the birds. Sprite's not even eating it anymore, he's just sitting on top of it. Whoa! Yeah, Sprite says this is my treat now, boy.
That's Blizzards! Sprite, Blizzard's Hatchday tomorrow. Nice.
Blizzard doesn't even care.
Oh.
They ask you how you are.
Oh! You just hit midair.
Oh. Here, boy. Here, my boy. Yeah. We're gonna go down the hall, okay? Yeah, let's go down the hall. Tweet, tweet! Tweet, tweet! There we go. This boy. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, boy. Pick it up, boy. What are you trying to do? Yeah, do that thing where you pick it up. He does this thing where he picks it up. What are you trying to do, man? Oh, oh, they're gonna fight. Look. About to fight. What are you doing? Sorry if you hear tic-tacs in the back. I just said tic-tacs. Sorry if you hear TikToks in the background. That's probably Ella. Whoa. 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 This dude has been doing this for 5 minutes. He's sitting on a treat, but he chooses to eat his feet. Maybe there's something wrong with his foot. Not like seriously, not like seriously wrong. Like maybe his foot's itching. Wait. Anyways, I'll see you guys later in the next video. Am I covering up the wrong camera? Yes, I am. Boom.